She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Hey guys, so welcome to my first vlog. Hey. It's lit. Okay, so it's Halloween. I decided that I was going to be Cher. This look was just everything. I saw it and I was like, this is it. This is it. And honestly, I'm so indecisive. I'm like the most indecisive person ever. But when I saw this look, I knew it was the one. Anyway, so MJ and I are going to try to recreate it.
Why?
Which is luck. What is stronger than luck? Because we need that. See you guys. Well, watch. This is hard.
It is. You're doing great. You're doing great.
Watch us. What am I trying to say?
What did you say before?
Oh yeah, watch us try to make this look. I forgot to say. Can you guys see that this is white-ish? I didn't find any white, so we just. Oh, MJ, why did you use it?
I think it's gonna look amazing.
We're going to use black instead of white because I couldn't find it, but we'll see if we'll make it work. MJ thinks we'll make it work. So we have this for the roses. What else do we have? We have this for the bangles. After a lot of trial and error, we finally figured out what to do. We improvised and came up with a way to make the inner part of the rose, and we just went on from there. This is like the first time that I have to create an outfit from scratch, because majority of the time I just have to do like my hair and makeup from scratch. I'm actually scared. Jesus, help me, Lord. So I'm trying to make the petals. MJ told me to draw it like this. And then I'm going to fold it. Instead of drawing like multiple ones, I'm going to fold it, right? Yeah. And then cut it. And then they all have the shape. So that's what I'm doing. I don't know whether I did that right now.
Okay, cute coffins.
With the universe on our side, we completed our first rose. And as you can tell, I was pretty excited. This meant we had to do more petals for our rose.
Look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid? Never thought that I could describe such a lonely place. Now there's all this space, nothing can replace. Letting go of you was my one mistake. Counting every day, no I'm not okay. I just wanna say I need affection. Does it matter what you say? 'Cause now that I don't have it, I only miss it every day. I need affection. Does it matter what you say? 'Cause now that I don't have it, I only miss it every day. Look up at the sky, ask it why are you always so far? Yeah. Never thought that I needed light just to see in the dark. Now it's all the space, nothing can replace. Letting go of you was my one mistake. Counting every day, no I'm not okay. I just wanna say I need affection. Does it matter what
So this is the rose for the crown. This is for the two chest areas, and for the bottom. So excited! Yay! Thanks, MJ. Good job. Good job. MJ started making the necklace, but unfortunately, most of it was filmed off camera. It was 1:30 a.m. and we were extremely tired. Anyways, after I glued a certain amount of rhinestone to the bodysuit, we both called it a night. Good morning. It's Halloween. Well, yesterday was Halloween, and today is kind of still Halloween, to be honest. I need to make sure this stays in one place. But I just woke up. It's 10:35. MJ is still sleeping, and I'm going to finish off my rhinestone on the lingerie or bodysuit. Let me show you guys what I already did yesterday. Honestly, I was trying to look for the right method for me, but over time I found what really worked. But I found that like stretching it, putting something in it to stretch the bodysuit enough for me to put the hot glue and the rhinestone on it. You can see like this tiny bits, like it's from the glue. I'm going to cut it off so it won't show. I'm just going to leave it now because I don't want to do anything that might tear the bodysuit because it looks very, very fragile.
Best expectations of any man. So you pick your rhinestone, get your glue, pull it tight. Oh, this is so annoying. Why I'm skeptical and critical when it's good.
I'm kind of done with it, I think. This is the front. And I think I need to put more stuff here. What do you think? Let's see.
For the first time, I'm not looking around, 'cause I'm enough and you're enough. It's safe to say this much. I like it on this side of love. This side of love. I like it on this side of love. This side of love. It sounds cliche whenever I talk about you. What can I say? Damn easy to do. You're a James Dean, Steve McQueen, kinda cool. It could be sunrise or late nights. I'm always laughing with you. I say, how come it's so easy? It's unlike I ever knew. You say, 'cause it's right, believe me. I was designed for you. And for the first time, I'm not looking around, 'cause I'm enough. It's safe to say this much. I like it on this side of love. I like it on this side of love. Because it's right. They say the grass is always greener on the other side of the fence. But I'm good with what's beneath us. Finally, it all makes sense why he cheated and the other one walked away. Yeah, I see it. I was always meant to reach this place on this side of love. With you on this side of love. I say it's unlike I ever knew. You say 'cause it's right, believe me. I was designed for you. And for the first time, I'm not looking around, 'cause I'm enough and you're enough. It's safe to say this much, that I like it on this side of love. Yeah, I like it on this side of love. This you. It's telling you how to move. Won't you say it? Won't you say it? Lay it all out for me, but let me down easily. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting.